Hey, it's James Nicholson, and I'm in Koh San Road in Bangkok. Absolutely crazy place. If you've ever been here, you'll know that. And I wanted to talk about when things go wrong in business, and that sometimes your customers are not going to be necessarily frustrated by that. They're going to be okay with it. Now, we just went for a really, really nice meal around the corner, quite a decent restaurant, and we're sitting there in an outdoor restaurant, and out the blue, this rat jumps onto the table, gave us the shock of our life. And this rat was about as big as an elephant. It wasn't a small rat at all. It was absolutely huge. Massive thud on the table, and we absolutely shit our pants. And we still were happy with the food in the restaurant. Now, if that was in London, we'd probably be reading the local papers and stuff like that, and it'll be a bit more of a story. But we kind of understand that that's the cost of doing business in Thailand, because you've got lots of rats everywhere, you've got cockroaches and animals like that. It's the nature of being in a hot country, and we were fine with that. In fact, we still gave the guys a tip, still enjoyed our meal, and it was all good and hunky-dory. And in your business, there's going to be times where things will go wrong. You're going to get scenarios like that in your business where things don't necessarily work out as they should, and your customers are going to be forgiving. They're going to forgive you for stuff. As long as you're honest and you deal with it in the right way, as this restaurant did, then people are cool with stuff like that. So just thought I'd share that interesting story with you. We had a nice meal still, but we were interrupted slightly with our little mate, Ratty Rat Boy, that decided to come and join in with us for a few seconds there. So don't always put pressure on yourself to be perfect in business. You just got to get your product out, get customers, look after those customers as best as you can. It's not always going to work as well as it should, but it doesn't matter. As long as you keep moving forward and you're doing the best you can, then that's good enough. So hope you found that useful. That's it from me. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.